What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chizzy from Lifestyle Podcast. Today, ngiphethe Slick Elder.
Yes.
Lo-Mainyasha. Hi.
Hi.
Unjani Mainyasha?
Lokufamba
Ngiyaphila.
Ziyafamba famba.
Zirikufamba. Alright, asaka.
Zuri sayidini.
Ayo bo.
Ari say ma runnings.
Marunnings ari low. Ari kuti mhanya.
Amusi kumamanya.
Iwo ndo ari kuti mhanya.
Wow.
Baka.
Mainyasha, you good?
I am just worried indaba ze-social media lezayo. Kancane siyancinza.
Zikwenzani into ze-social media ntwana yami?
Siyaqhuba abandla kodwa kancane. Kancane ndo.
Zvinofamba sei iwo chigaro chindirova. Ndiyo nyaya inogara chindinetsa. Kozi munda kuti zvinhu zvifamba.
Yeah.
Mofana kunge muchiwirirana.
Exactly.
Maya kana ndichigara ndichirohwa
Nomkati, azibudi. So for someone who doesn't know uBabanyasha Slick Elder, ungamchazela uthini?
Okay, but vanonondiziva. Alright. Slick Elder. Apa nditaure first name yangu.
Everything about Slick Elder.
Okay. Slick Elder. First name yangu ndonzi Munashe. Sine mandisi kuzotaura Munashe. Age I'm 21 ndangokudza wangu.
Wow.
21 years. Totena 22 this year.
Okay.
Ndiye Slick Elder, Babanyasha. Babanyasha ndine maskitsa ndinawana inini.
Ajaitaura nyaya iyoyo. Okay, and then uMainyasha yena bani? Wabani?
Oh, okay. Thelma. Even vele la ku-social media, Thelma Juba.
Oh.
Yeah, Thelma Juba.
Okay. That's all about Mainyasha.
Yeah, I can say that. Besides Mainyasha, like abantu bajala uthi like uMainyasha umuntu lwana uthanda uhlawutha uMainyasha achaye usanyasha nje. But
Utsawani chokwa.
but then umuntu osweet because I'm out there, like I am cheerful and I love to know abantu nje, so yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usaka unongo
Romantic.
unongo chipretenda
Romantic.
kuchindiro.
Okay. Manje wamthwalisa nzima uBabanyasha kabuhlungu nje. Kuhamba njani?
Ake kuyi-content guys.
Ake kuyi-content.
Yeah, ake kuyi-content yabona. So usually even singayenza angathiwa si-right hand. Abantu bakubona i-content yankhona yabe ngabachazi but sebechazwa yana lawani ukuthi yabo always unanyasha so yabo sebekwazi vele usanyasha umuntu odelela.
So who met omunye first? Lahlangana njani? Ngubani approach omunye between wena Babanyasha lo Mainyasha? To match the talents and stuff like that.
Akaisa advert. Ane advert la akaisa then ndivandangona ukuthi anenge ane interest in. Gozi nini papo ndetongotsvaga uchi munhu ari kutongofarira zvokuita maskits.
Okay.
Then ndivandaona advert rake mune rimwe group. In fact pane friend yangu yakandisendera number dzake.
Okay.
Yakandisendera advert racho then ndivandamutaura naye paWhatsApp ndokusangana kwatakaita.
Azange wamkhombisa. Za kamboyitika zwazo.
Gara. Tinga
sahle sakhuluma ngokomsebenzi vele khonapho khonapho like mina ngathi ngiqeda ukwenza i-course ye-acting. I graduated then after that ngahle ngathi mana ngidinge yabo
akatrainer 6 months ari pa training.
So after that ngahlathi man advertise ndinge something ngoba ngenze then ngapha ngisenza emsebenzini yabo.
Okay.
Then ngabona inamba yangi-epha so I'm like good, it's okay, let's try this. Then we worked out bese singacabanga singafika la like vele day 1 bese sahle sasebenza kahle like vele ngathi abesazana from kudala.
Connection.
Vele sahle cabanga mina ngikwanisa isindebeleni kwanisa isishona but sakwanisa ukucombine those two languages.
Can you speak Shona or you can't?
Ntogona kudobhadobha andila badobhadobha so lami ngiyakwanisa ukudobhadobha there and there.
isindebele mina ngiyasikhuluma wothi ngilishele kaThesi mina
akakwanisi
ngiyasikhuluma isindebele mina
wona mandebele manje
mali funda siyakwazi ukuqeda lapha ngikhuluma isindebele sonke vele mina ngiyakhuluma yena ngongafuniyo
okay
hayi
akafuni ukuthi ukhulume isindebele
hayi akafuni but mina isindebele ngiyakhuluma I can understand Ndebele. No, not to Ndebele fluently as if one. Because people want to tell Ndebele, they think maybe I understand more.
Oh.
Ndebele to tell. But I kids I try and did you try with Ndebate both sides.
Okay.
It's not like Ndebele and Dikon. Can I cheat content? But then you try with butter both sides. Butter Ndebele side, Shona side.
Why when wakhuluma ngesindebele uManyasha akhuluma ngeshona?
No, she's fluently in Ndebele. Plus Shona
I can try Shona. Man, sizayenza iskit. Yena ekhuluma ngesindebele mina ngikhuluma ngesishona.
Believe me, that gonna be great.
Akakwanisi isishona lo.
Sizayenza. Ndotawura Shona yini?
So and as long as
it's ndogona utawura Shona. Cause
standard. That's okay. So the next video guys. Manyasha bebetawa babanyasha bebekhuluma.
Mina sindebele ngiyasikhuluma.
Clean. So okay fine. Babanyasha nguzosithi uya 21 and turning 22. Ungufombani?
Fombani. Yazi mina ngasuka esikolo kudala. So how many years? I think it's 5 years. I'm not doing 6 years in high school. Was taka ngoti chitongo ba ku high school but to taka uita zva kids.
Oh.
Taka ba ku high school kudara. I think but 5 years tabva chikoro.
So are you married, single?
No. Ndisi married. Baba ndisi married. But
okay.
I want to confirm kuti I'm single.
It's just single searching.
Oh, yeah, in between.
I want confirm.
Okay.
But I'm just married.
Okay.
Ndina mukadzi.
Mukadzi apana.
Mukadzi anongondishungurudza ndeyeyo.
Okay.
But I know it's okay. Anongondishungurudza ke but it's okay.
As long as akujolele kodwa. Manyasha, are you
No.
So abafuna ukufaka ama applications?
No.
Come on, asap na.
No, kathesi busy kulomsebenzi kulama skits like vele yo kuyaphithizela. So ukuthi ngiqalisa into zama heartbreak amfulala ngalalanga senihluleka lokucabanga ama skits ngenxa yomuntu.
Oh, correct.
For now nje we gap nyana nje sike sithi lathi kuzithola yabo.
Okay, knows. Okay, so guys, awuntshele Slick Elder ne? Yini mhlambe okay yipi content ongithi video elakwenza elakunikeza ihope along the way?
Okay, there is this video rakuti randaitaura kuti randakaigirwa mukadzi padeni. Pane video rakuti ndandamitisa musikana.
I couldn't come even isindebele mina can understand Ndebele.
Kakhulu yes the chance.
Okay. Alright. Kule video esayenza mina ngamitisa unkazana nditi. Then this one but character yo anga siri Manyasha. Angari character yo ya tete wemsikana.
Alright.
Uanje umkazana nditi. Then wabuya la yani. Ecabanga ukuthi mina ngizayali sisu sankona. Then ngahle ngasivuma. Then video yangona veya blow up. Yazi video le ngenza njani? Ngayiposta ngile datele 30 cents. Ngathenga idatele 30 cents ngapost video. Ekseni ngisemsebenzini, ngaposta ngahamba. Kwathi sokusithi kusaza ngasendile i-screenshot lo thuma. Enjena ukuthi ndoda ubonile yini? Iku 70k ngathi what?